Welcome to Luxury Insights, where we delve into the sophisticated world of opulence. Today we dive deep into a brand synonymous with luxury, Rolex. Beyond the sparkling exterior, what really makes a Rolex stand out? Let's find out. Step into the world of horology, and one name consistently stands out: Rolex. Renowned not just for its price, but for its impeccable craftsmanship, precision, and longevity. But what truly sets Rolex apart? Over the decades, Rolex has evolved, not with sudden leaps, but with meticulous, considered steps. Rather than riding the wave of revolutions, Rolex believes in the power of evolution. The question that often comes up is, does a Rolex truly last a lifetime? Will a Rolex last a lifetime? When you invest a significant sum in a product, your expectation naturally extends beyond a mere temporary acquisition. This is precisely where the allure of a Rolex watch truly shines. The essence of a Rolex lies not only in its opulence, but in its profound promise of longevity. Rolex watches possess a remarkable reputation for being cherished heirlooms that transcend generations. This enduring legacy speaks volumes about the intrinsic value of this luxury timepiece, a value that transcends monetary considerations. A Rolex isn't just an accessory, it becomes your steadfast companion, adorning your wrist day in and day out. Despite the wear and tear that often accompanies daily use, Rolex owners can rest assured. With proper care and maintenance, a Rolex watch is poised to endure a lifetime of wear. However, it's important to tread with caution if you have grand adventures in mind. Delving into deep-sea diving or exposing your Rolex to extreme environmental conditions may indeed impact its lifespan. In such cases, the rugged reputation of a Rolex may face some challenges. Nevertheless, for those who treasure their Rolex as a symbol of timeless elegance and craftsmanship, the prospect of a lasting and cherished partnership remains as bright as the hands on the dial. How to take care of a Rolex? Preserving the longevity of your Rolex watch hinges on two fundamental practices: meticulous care and regular servicing. Rolex, the venerable watchmaker, maintains that its timepieces demand minimal day-to-day intervention, which underscores their durability. One essential routine to safeguard your Rolex's splendor involves regular cleaning with a delicate touch. Using a microfiber cloth for this purpose will help maintain the watch's luster without any abrasive impact. Occasionally, it's advisable to take it a step further by washing the watch case and bracelet with a mild soap and water solution, employing a gentle brush for the task. However, a word of caution must be heeded during these cleansing rituals. Always ensure that the winding crown is securely screwed against the case to maintain the watch's waterproof integrity when exposed to water. By adhering to these straightforward yet vital maintenance practices, you're actively participating in the preservation of your Rolex's timeless allure, allowing it to endure as a cherished companion for generations to come. Can I wear my Rolex in the shower? Owning a Rolex watch is not just about possessing a luxury timepiece. It's about embracing a lifestyle where your Rolex becomes an integral part of your everyday existence. Rolex itself emphasizes the concept of wearing their watches daily, advocating that your Rolex should adorn your wrist at all times. In essence, if you're a proud owner of a Rolex, you won't want to part with it. Now you might wonder about the practicalities of daily life, like taking a shower. Fear not, for Rolex has meticulously crafted their watches, particularly those encased within the impeccable oyster case, to be water-resistant up to 100 meters. This means that you can confidently wear your Rolex even in the steamy confines of a shower, and it will emerge unscathed from the experience. However, it's prudent to exercise a modicum of caution, especially with vintage Rolex models aged over 2 decades. The water-resistant capabilities of these older timepieces may not be as robust as their modern counterparts, so it's wise to avoid subjecting them to extended water exposure. Moreover, whenever your Rolex watch is opened for servicing or repairs, be sure to verify that the waterproof seal is meticulously replaced. Neglecting this crucial step could leave your watch vulnerable to internal water damage. So while your Rolex is more than capable of joining you in your daily activities, a touch of attentiveness will ensure it continues to grace your wrist as a symbol of enduring luxury and craftsmanship. Do Rolex watches stop running? When you invest in a Rolex watch, you're not just acquiring a timepiece, you're embracing a legacy of endurance and meticulous craftsmanship. Every facet of a Rolex's design is a testament to its durability, ensuring that once you own one, it won't suddenly stop running without warning. Of course, in the course of life's adventures, there may be instances where your Rolex encounters damage. Fortunately, Rolex watches are not only renowned for their longevity, but also for their serviceability. When handled by a skilled watch technician, Rolex timepieces are equipped with easily replaceable parts. This means that even in the face of wear and tear, a well-maintained Rolex can be restored to its pristine condition, ensuring it continues to serve as a reliable companion for years to come. Should I wear my Rolex every day? An iconic Rolex, be it a Submariner or a Datejust, is too stylish to be tucked away in your cupboard. When you invest substantially in a watch, wearing it daily becomes the expectation. Rolex prides itself on crafting watches from the world's finest and highest quality materials, making them both expensive and incredibly durable. Owning a Rolex means having a timepiece you'll never want or need to remove from your wrist, a testament to its enduring allure and robustness. What happens if you don't wear your Rolex? While it's tempting to reserve your precious Rolex for special occasions, that's not its intended purpose. A Rolex is meant to be worn regularly to function optimally. To ensure proper operation, you must manually wind your Rolex watch. Once wound, you can wear it without concern. However, if you leave it unworn for several days, it will gradually lose its power reserve. Rolex recommends winding it again each time you plan to take a break from wearing it for an extended period, ensuring it stays accurate and ready for your wrist whenever you need it. Should I polish my Rolex? To preserve a consistent shine on your Rolex throughout its lifetime, regular polishing is the key. Polishing will undoubtedly maintain that pristine new appearance, so if that's your preference, it's a great choice. However, for those who appreciate a wristwatch bearing the marks of time and a bit of character, foregoing the polish can lead to a beautifully weathered, aged look that tells a unique story on your wrist. It's a matter of personal style and preference when it comes to how you want your Rolex to reflect the passage of time. How long does the Rolex warranty last? When you invest in an expensive luxury item like a Rolex watch, it often comes with a warranty. In the case of Rolex watches, the standard warranty lasts for 5 years. Additionally, depending on the country you're in, you may have the option to extend this warranty by 2 years if you ensure that your timepiece is serviced by an authorized Rolex dealer. This warranty extension provides extra peace of mind and protection for your valuable investment. In a world constantly chasing the next big thing, Rolex stands firm with its legacy. The brand has refined its offerings to the point that today's models often mirror their predecessors. With Rolex, it's more than just about telling time. It's about making a statement. So, dear viewers, as we wrap up our deep dive into the Rolex realm, remember this. With Rolex, you're not just investing in a watch, you're becoming a part of a timeless legacy. If you enjoyed this voyage through luxury horology, please do us a favor. Hit that like button and subscribe to Luxury Insights for more such deep dives.